Good evening, Jim Dudley reporting from LBC News. I'm reporting to you from the back of the warehouse because that's where they put me. The Totally Dope Super Sale is live right now, where you can save 25% on these totally rad selected brands.
Aero Manufacturing, Choppahead, Colony Machine, Fast Eddy, Fiorucci Fab, Forever the Chaos Life, Greasy Reaper, Haifley Brothers, KustomTech, Old Stuff Unity Manufacturing, and of course, Lowbrow Customs, man. All the Lowbrow Customs parts. Not again, man. They've already moved me to the back of the warehouse, man. 25% off the Totally Dope Super Sale. The Totally Dope Super Sale, man. It's live right now, man. Totally dope. Where am I going to report from next, man?